Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is the first video that I'm filming for the year 2025. I haven't really posted anything in a while kasi madami mga nangyari last year. So yun. Anyway, I'm with the car as per always. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be changing the tint on the car. Yan. Now right now it's got yan, mga super black, naka super black na tint to on the sides and sa windshield, naka medium dark na tint, and medyo nagsawa na ako sa look. So we're going to be changing it. Punta tayo sa mga shops. Let's see kung anong mga available na tints these days. Tingnan natin kung anong babagay, and yeah, we'll go from there I guess. So tara, tingnan natin. And for you guys who are new to the channel, this is the car that I drive, a 2018 3rd gen na Vios. Yan. Later I'll be updating you guys as to what I've added onto the car since I bought it beginning of last year. So yan. So yun, I'll be updating you guys later, but yun, for now, let's try to find a shop that's going to give us an affordable deal, hopefully. Ayun, so tara, let's go. Let's switch the car on. Tapos let's head for the shop. So and one other thing, later I am going to be updating you guys as to what I've added onto the cars, because since my last video I added a couple of things dito. So yun, so tara, let's go. Oh, and one other thing, one of the reasons why I decided to change my window tint is because I do most of my commute at night, and itong naka-install na tint, madilim siya pag gabi. Pag maaraw, okay naman, okay yung privacy, okay siya sa mata pag maaraw, pero yun nga, kapag gabi na, medyo hirap na yung mata ko na makita yung labas, especially on intersections. Yan. So with that being said, we are going to go for siguro a lighter shade na tint. Lighter shade na mataas yung heat rejection. Yan. That's what we're going to go for. So tara, let's go. Alright, so malapit na tayo dun sa shop. It's just right around that corner. I mean, it's just 9:30. Hopefully, wala pang queue na mga nagpapagawa. But again, let's see. And hopefully, magandang presyo yung mabigay sa akin. Kasi mahal na din kasi ngayon na magpatint. So yan, tara, let's go. Ayun, dito tayo, dito. Ayan. Alright, this right here is their shop. Tapos ito yung mga available nila na tint. They have a wide variety of tints available. Merong mirror finish, may mga super black, medium black. Yan. Merong mga mirror finish na tint nila. Yan. But this right here is what we chose. Yan. Clear tint. Clear tint na merong greenish na shade. Yan. And according to them, mataas yung heat rejection nitong film na to. So again, we'll see. Sabi nila may meter daw sila. So we'll have it tested later. Tapos yun, tingnan natin. They're removing the old tint. Just like that. And it's easy for them to remove the old tint kasi nga it hasn't been 1 year since the old tint was installed. So yun, hindi siya ganong kakunat. Okay, so ito yung ginagamit nilang gauge to measure yung UVR. Ito yung lumang tint na tinanggal sa sasakyan, and if we are to measure, yan, Reset natin. Yan. If we are to measure the old tint, teka, wait natin to. Yan. UVR is at 88%. Yan, 88.6%. IRR is 53.3, tapos VLT is 20.1. So yan, not sure if you guys can see it. Yan, yan yung reading, ito yung old tint na nakalagay. And yan, and measuring the new tint. Tingnan natin. Ayan, VLT is at 70.2%. UVR is at 99.6%. Tapos IRR is 90.6. So yan, there you go. At this point, they're already installing the new tint, yung greenish na tint. And right now it's 10:30. So yan, let's see how quickly they finish the work. Alright, there you go. Kalalabas ko lang sa shop, and right off the bat, whoa, it feels so much different. Maliwanag siya sa loob. I don't think I'll have any difficulties driving in the dark. I'll go home, I'll wash the car, tapos I will show you guys how it looks. Alright, so there you go. A day after the install, and yan na yung itsura niya. What we ended up doing was we left the back window alone. Yung likod super black pa rin hanggang ngayon, hindi ko na pinapalitan. So ang ginawa ko na lang is itong harapan na lang yung pinagawa. So yan, tinanggal obviously yung lumang tint, yung super black. Tapos yan, pinalitan ng greenish na tint. And just in case you're going to be asking, ang brand ng ipinalit ko na tint is Phantom. So yun, but this video is not a review. In a couple of days, siguro I'll give you thoughts as to how it's going to be performing as far as heat rejection is concerned. So this is just to show you guys how the car looks after I change the tint. So yan, yung pagiging greenish niya, syempre bumagay sa kotse. I think simply because, I mean, green din naman yung kotse. So yan. And sa tingin ko, bagay naman siya dun sa theme na gusto ko para sa kotse. Kasi I want a Euro theme para dito sa kotse na to. So sa tingin ko, katugma naman siya. If anything, siguro mas babagay kung naka-greenish na tint na lahat. Kaya lang, my only concern is, though I like the clean look of the greenish tint, syempre I want a bit of privacy din naman. Kasi I do my commute mostly at night. So yun, gusto ko medyo may konting privacy din. At saka at the same time, merong mga instances wherein meron akong mga dala na mga gamit. As much as possible, ayoko din naman nakita ng mga tao kung ano yung laman ng kotse. So I'd like, you know, a place where I can hide them dyan sa likod. And yun, just an update to what I've done with the car so far since I got it. Yun, lowered siya using a set of LNT na lowering springs. Tapos ano pa nga ba, merong strut bar sa harapan, napalitan ko yung battery. Tapos yun, may sticker dyan sa likod. Yan, pinalitan ko lang ng muffler tip on top. Ayan, nilagyan ko siya ng crossbar from Aerorack. Nakalimutan ko na yung brand. Basta yan. Tapos yun, bike rack from Thule. What else? So yun lang yung sa labas. I changed the bulbs from halogen to LEDs. Ano pa nga ba? So syempre yan, yung tint. Now sa loob, mostly stock naman. Wala naman akong masyadong pinagpapalitan dito sa interior. Siguro except for, siguro ito, yan. Dati naka cloth seats ako, ngayon leather na din. Tapos yung deep dish matting. Ayan. Next, ito yung isa sa mga accessories para sa kotse na talagang essential, itong deep dish matting. Kasi yun nga, yung gabok hindi na pupunta sa carpet. Pupunas-punasan mo lang and they should be fine. So itong leather seats, kaya din ako nagpa leather seats para madaling linisin with just a simple wipe down, malinis na. So yan, ito yung itsura ng loob niya. Yan, from the inside. The next video, I'll give you my thoughts as to how the tint is going to be performing as far as heat rejection is concerned. So yun, that's mostly it. Sa kotse wala naman masyado na bago. I'm already looking at changing the wheels. Talagang kating-kati na akong palitan yung wheels ko. Pero again, Euro theme tayo. So ayun, hahanap ako ng kaakma para sa look na gusto ko. There's a lot more to come for this car. So stay tuned. I will see you guys on the next vlog. Peace.